Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and as you can see, I'm at the beach. Well, this is a channel which does reviews and does a bit of training and everything, but also I'm in the business of also giving away free gifts. So I have a free gift on my channel, as you probably have noticed on the header, and that is is for people who are interested in internet marketing, and it's an internet marketing bundle with 2 courses and 2 books. So if you like a copy, you just go to antonysfreegift.com and get your copy. Okay, so that's all you have to do. But this is what I do: reviews, internet marketing products from JVZoo and Warrior Plus. This is what this channel does. And this is what this channel is all about. Also, free training is available as well on internet marketing systems and methods as well. And I have a website which you can go to, which is where you'll find some free content that you can get if you want at diehardforeducation.com. Which is what I said about at the start. So if you want that, you can have that as well. But this is a beach scene, which is where everybody seems to want to be. I don't know why, but anyway, there you are. It's a beautiful scene. I mean, I've got to admit, it's nice. Very, very serene, very, very nice. Sitting on that white sand, listening to the crashing waves. Brilliant. Nothing. It's nothing more peaceful. It's just wonderful. Wonderful stuff, right? Better than being stuck in the city. That's for sure. Listening to the roaring of the cars and all the traffic and everything else, and the crowds, and who needs that crap? I don't. But this is what this channel, anyway, this is what I do on this channel. I've got 153 videos on products that I've reviewed. So if you want to get into that, you can too as well. So anyway, that's what this channel is about. So I have now made a video telling you what this channel is about and what you can expect here, and you can proceed and do what you like, and you can take a look around and get to the videos you like, and the videos if you don't, you can just you can leave. It's up to you. It's not up to me. It's up to you. You're the one who decides. Okay, so anyway, I say, well, thank you for watching this video and enjoy the channel. Thank you again. And subscribe to the channel and push the notification bell if you're interested. Thank you, and bye.